Can you guess these birds? Question number 1. Which bird is the national symbol of the United States? Bald eagle. Question number 2. Which bird is known for dancing to attract a mate? Peacock. Question number 3. This bird is often associated with wisdom and is active at night. What is it? Owl. Did you know that when you follow me, a baby penguin takes its first step? Let's go. Question number 4. Which bird is known for tapping on trees to find food? If you said woodpecker, you pass. If you said sparrow, I'm sorry, but you are eliminated. Okay, final question. Only 1% of people can get this right. Which bird can recognize itself in a mirror? Leave your answer in the comments and see you next time.